Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the best ingredients for delicious juice. In this video, I will show you how to make beet juice. First, choose fresh, firm beets with a deep, vibrant color. Next, wash them thoroughly under cold water, scrubbing away any dirt. Trim off the leafy greens and the small root end. You can peel the beets if you want a less earthy taste, but it's not strictly necessary for juicing. This simple preparation ensures a clean and flavorful base for your juice. Now that your beets are prepped, it's time to juice. Cut the beets into pieces that fit easily into your juicer's chute, typically 1 inch to 2 inches. Feed the beet pieces into the juicer, pushing them down gently. If you're adding other ingredients like apples or ginger, alternate them with the beets. Watch as the vibrant red juice flows into your collection container. This process extracts all the goodness from the beets. Beet juice is fantastic on its own, but you can enhance its flavor with other ingredients. Try adding an apple, a small piece of ginger, or a squeeze of lemon or orange juice for a refreshing twist. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve. For storage, pour your fresh beet juice into an airtight container and refrigerate it. It stays fresh and delicious for up to 48 hours. You've successfully made your own fresh beet juice. This vibrant drink is packed with beneficial vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, making it a wonderful addition to your diet. Enjoy it chilled for the most refreshing experience. You can drink it straight or mix it into smoothies. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Cheers to your health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.